Hi! Welcome to Luxury in Moderation, where we appreciate the finer things in life without going overboard. I'm finally back from Europe and my travels for a little while, and I wanted to share a few things that I picked up over the last couple months with you guys. But before we get into it, if you're new here, hi, my name's Joanne, and every week on my channel I talk about luxury handbags and other luxury items. So welcome, and hopefully you like this video. If you do, please remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. So let's get into all the things displayed here, and I'm gonna go in chronological order because that's how I best remember things. And the very first thing that I picked up was this MacBook Air, and I actually got this for myself on Black Friday, so right after Thanksgiving last November. I wasn't supposed to buy like clothes last year, so I treated myself to new electronics. So this is the 14-inch Air, I believe, and my old Air was like 6 years old, so I thought it might be time to replace it. And I did get it in the rose gold color, even though it's, I would say, not as much of a rose gold. It's like very pink, but I've been enjoying it so far, so I'm really glad I picked this up. Next are a few things I got for Christmas. So the very first thing here is this pretty awesome Shure microphone. So I'm actually using it right now to film this video. It's the first video I'm using, so hopefully it comes out okay. Shout out to See Here Live. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it. You guys should all follow at See Here Live on Instagram, especially you guys in Singapore. They're actually a really wonderful retailer there, and they have a ton of like audio visual equipment. And it was really fun to set this up, really easy, and I'm really excited to hear how the mic quality on this video turns out. I also received this luxurious Asop Set from my wonderful mother-in-law. So this is all in the same scent. It's geranium leaf, and I have the body scrub, which is this biggest tube here, the body cleanser, which is in this tube, and then the body balm in this long tube. So I'm really excited to try these. I haven't opened them yet. I wanted to get done with all my travels before I could safely open all these liquids, so I will get into that tonight. And then finally for Christmas, I received this actually wonderfully amazing pouch, and inside of it are reusable straws. There's 3 straws total. I have 2 here in like a rose gold coppery color. One is big for like bubble tea or boba. 1 regular straw, and then the last straw is also a regular straw, but it has like an angle on it. I have already used the bubble tea straw several times already, so I can say that these are wonderful, and they also come with these cleaning scrubby things to use with them, which I greatly appreciate. But ultimately, the best thing is that they all come in this really thin and compact carrying case. So this can really fit into a lot of bags, so I don't have to continue wasting plastic straws everywhere I go. I can just bring this anywhere. You know, this would definitely fit into like a jumbo classic flap. I'm gonna try it for my medium classic flap. And I really want to do better this year in terms of sustainability, reducing my plastic and carbon footprint. So I'm actually really grateful that I received this gift from my wonderful sister-in-law, and I will try to use this as much as possible. So after Christmas, as I mentioned in my last video, I spent some time in Europe. I actually went to Spain first and then went on to the French Riviera, which was beautiful. I did stop at a bunch of Hermes stores, so let's get into these bags next. And for some reason they gave me like huge bags, but this is the first thing that I picked up in the Madrid store. And I've been looking for this item for quite a while. I was super excited that they had it. It didn't come in a box, but it came wrapped like this, and guess this for what it is. I haven't opened it, and I'm very proud of myself for having not opened it since I got it back from the store. I haven't felt or seen it in 2 weeks, so let's get into it now. Just because I knew that once I opened it, I wouldn't be able to package it up again. They basically taped it up with these cute Hermes stickers, but then it's like I can't reuse the packaging. Here it is. This is the blanket in the baby size, so it's not the full size. And it's one of the designs with the classic H, but not like the ones with H's like everywhere. Let me just open it up so we both can see it again. So this is one side. So they have the H in the corners, and then in the middle is just checkered squares. And then on the other side, it's actually a gray, so similar pattern, H on the corners, checkers in the middle, and I actually love gray, so I love this color scheme. And you can see here, there's a little bear tag. It says it's 90% merino wool and then 10% cashmere. So I'm gonna list all of the prices in euros and dollars in the description box, so make sure to check there, just because I can't remember exactly. This was like $800 maybe. I think it was 760 euro, but in case I get it wrong, make sure to check there. But this is the size folded in half. Let me just see if I can put this over my shoulders. So you could use it like this when you're sitting on the couch. Anyways, I'm super, super excited for it. I'm so happy that they even had the baby size blanket, which was what I was really looking for. I really didn't know that they even had this color scheme. I thought, you know, they had the pink, the blue, and the brown one. I didn't even think that this was possible, but I actually really loved this one. So after Madrid, I went on to Barcelona, and I did stop by the Hermes store in Barcelona, but I didn't pick anything up there. I do plan on doing a video about all the Hermes stores that I stopped by. I stopped by a total of 6, and all of my experiences there. So if you're Hermes obsessed like I am at the moment, stay tuned for that video. I have a lot of things to share, including things that I tried on and I didn't end up purchasing. Then from there, I actually went to Monaco, and it was an amazing experience. It was crazy luxury there. Everyone was in fur coats and carrying Birkins and Kellys, and that is the place to be if you want to see luxury. But I did pick up something small from the Hermes Monaco store. So that would be in this bag here. So if you can guess what this is, hopefully it's not broken because it's traveled a lot in the past week. So this is the Mosaic Mug, and there you see it. This mosaic is in the all silver pattern. I did pick up a mosaic square plate in the silver and orange pattern last year when I went to Paris. But for the mug, I really loved the all silver one, and I don't know if you can tell, but there are just like some pure silver pieces in there that really like glint and shine when you're looking at the mug. And I believe this was around 142 euro, and I cannot wait to use this. And the last Hermes piece I picked up was from the Hermes Cane store. So they gave me another really huge bag for this for some reason. The item is not this big, but it does come in this box, so you guys might know what this is. They also included this really cute Cane's postcard, so now I have a postcard from the Cane store and the Waikiki, Hawaii store. So I thought this was super cute. It definitely is what the store looks like. And this is my first Hermes scarf. So this is the piece that I picked out, and I took a really long time picking this piece. The sales associate there was so sweet. She showed me so many patterns and colorways, and she was just the best. So ultimately I settled on this pattern, It's more of a classic pattern, which I did want as my first piece. It has the beautiful dark red on the edges, just a touch of blue, and then gold and brown in the center. It has the interlocking H in the center. So she said that was a very classic Hermes design. And she also showed me a couple ways to wear it and use it. So I just know a couple here. Again, this is my very first scarf. I don't really know what I am doing in terms of scarves, but she just folded all the two corners into the middle and made it a really long, and she said this is like the simplest way to wear it. So I am excited to wear this. I thought, you know, they're good classic colors that I can wear with a lot of things. So let me know what you guys think about this pattern. Last but definitely not least, because this is probably one of the most exciting things I wanted to share with you guys, are some sandals that I picked up from Rodini. And apparently they are like the quintessential sandal shop in Saint-Tropez. I didn't know this before doing some research, but you know, they hand make the shoes. When you walk into the store, you see in the back that they have all the leather there. It's a family-owned company, so it really has that high-end luxurious feel. And I actually picked up two pairs. This is the first pair, which are these gold ones. So here you can see them closer. They actually have a website where you can purchase online now. So they are real leather, really thin, and right now they're really smooth because obviously these are new and haven't really been worn. But over time, the bottom will get a little bit scratched up. It'll have a little bit more grip, I think, and then the top will mold to your feet, and it'll kind of like have the outline of your foot in it as you continue to wear it. And basically the really amazing thing about these shoes and this company is that they can custom make things for your feet. So it's really like that quintessential luxurious old school mentality of this is what luxury is, you know, like they hand make it. It's really quality product, like all the leather that they use, and it's really quality craftsmanship. They train, you know, their sons and daughters in making the shoes. So actually when I bought this shoe, first of all, they're already super incredible, like they know their stuff. So when I walked in and I was like, oh hey, I'm looking for some shoes, the guy there was kind of like looking at my feet. So I took them out of my flats and he kind of like eyeballed them and he's like, you're size 37, right? And I was like, yeah, I'm a size 37. So just by looking at my feet, he could tell what size I was. So he brought out these in the size 7. So there you can see the size there. When he first brought these out, I told him I was interested in this style with the two straps on top and the strap down the middle. And they have a lot of styles to choose from. But this was not actually tied. This was actually just one strip of leather that was like straight through. But once he put my feet into the shoe and he fit my shoe correctly to the two side straps, then he actually tied the knot exactly to fit my foot. So these are kind of like made to measure shoes and like customized. And he said that my particular foot like fit their like shoe sizes really well. But if you go there and for some reason your shoe doesn't fit perfectly, they are super willing to custom make a shoe for you. Like I don't know how long it takes, but at least like a couple days I think, or maybe overnight. They will make like a different like sole and tie the pieces differently just so that it fits your foot really well. So when I found out about this company, I was super excited about it. And then the second pair that I picked up, I am even more excited for, and that is because they are real python leather shoes. These you can tell are a different style. They only have one strap across the front, and then this second strap goes and has a pin buckle here. So I really wanted a pair of real python leather shoes from them because I saw it was one of the leather choices that they had. And I was just like, wow, for this quality, material, craftsmanship, and at this price, this is amazing. Just to let you guys know, like, they have a bunch of different options. With the python leather, it obviously does come at a premium. So this pair in a regular leather, like the gold leather and my other ones, they would probably be like 100 something euro, but because of the python leather, I think this was 225 euro. Again, I'll leave the details in the comment box and also link to the website. But wow, like 225 euro for real exotic leather, like at any other designer store, that would be like thousands of dollars, right? So I am just super excited to be able to try these out. And again, he made sure they fit well before I walked out of the store. And I am super excited to have these Rodini Saint-Tropez sandals. So that's it, guys. Let me know which one was your favorite. I can't wait to try out all the products that I have here that I have been so good in not using and not opening until I filmed this video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your precious time with me. And please remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!